Welcome to Woodcraft Empire. From lush greenery to snowy winters, witness the step-by-step creation of a majestic wooden cabin. Choosing the perfect spot for the house by clearing the bushes. Placing sturdy wooden blocks inside the holes. Checking if each block is level using a leveling tool. Precisely drilling holes in the wooden logs. Firmly securing the wood pieces to each other using screws. Arranging long wooden beams to create the main floor frame. Placing planks one by one onto the floor structure, permanently attaching the floor planks to the frame with a drill. Raising the wall frames vertically on the floor. Securing the walls to each other with screws. Starting the wall sheathing work with OSB boards. Cutting specific wall sections for windows with a saw. Installing wooden boards one by one on the roof frame. Attaching metal sheets to the roof for rain protection. Hauling wood with a snowmobile as the snowfall begins. Carrying new logs on a sled. Applying siding to the exterior walls to enhance the house's look. preparing to nail the trim or border on the upper part of the window. Installing white wooden planks on the upper part of the cabin's front wall. Cutting the excess part of the roof beam with a chainsaw. Installing large antlers like a deer's head on the front wall of the cabin for decoration. Digging through the snow to reach the ground for the porch foundation. Leveling the porch posts and creating the floor frame. Screwing planks one by one onto the porch floor. Cutting large notches in the logs to build the stairs. Firmly attaching the stair steps to the frame. Cleaning dry wooden branches from the forest to make railings. Making holes for the railing posts with the drill machine. Neatly arranging and installing the wooden railings around the porch. cutting off the extra parts of the railings using a chainsaw. Sanding and smoothing the top of the railings with a grinder. Giving a beautiful wooden finish to the floor inside the cabin. Stacking chimney pipes one above another after measuring. Building the wooden structure for the sauna or seating bench. Arranging smooth wooden planks on top of the bench. Making a backrest support against the wall. Joining the bench planks to the frame using screws. Creating a space in the corner of the wall for the shower. Installing a metal ring at a specific height on the wall with a drill. Bending the copper pipe using a pipe bender. Securing the copper pipes to the wall with metal clips. Attaching a flexible plastic pipe to the copper pipe. powering the pump by connecting its wires to a battery. My handmade cabin stands proudly in the snow-covered landscape. Finally, the cabin work is finished, and the whole house is now completely complete. If you liked the video, quickly like and subscribe, and let me know in the comments how the house turned out.